Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Gill and you are watching Brilliant Education. Our today's topic is the word above. In how many ways or in how many categories can we use above? We will learn in 1 or 2 minutes inshallah by the grace of Lord. So our first example is the heavens are above. The word above is underlined. We will see in which category or what part of speech is being used in this sentence. Above is being used in this sentence as an adverb because it's playing the role of an adverb. It's adding something to the meaning of verb, which is the verb in this sentence, that is are, because are is a verb in this sentence. In next example, we will see the moral law is above the civil law. Here again above is underlined, and here in this sentence above is playing its role as a preposition. Why? Because the function of preposition is to express or to show is to express the function of noun with the other, or relation of noun or pronoun with other words. The third example is analyze the above sentence. Again above is underlined, and above here is playing the role of an adjective. Why is it an adjective? We will see in this sentence, because if we will see above sentence, sentence is a noun and above is adding something to the meaning of sentence, and sentence is a noun. The word which adds something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun, that is called an adjective. And the fourth example, our blessings come from above. So here again above is underlined word. Above is noun in this sentence because noun is the name of person, place or thing. If we will see this sentence, we will come to know that above is playing the function of noun in this sentence. So that was the word which plays four categories or four types of function as a part of speech: adverb, preposition, adjective, noun. And the single word above, same pronunciation, same spelling, but it was playing its four roles. So we come to know that there are some words about which we cannot tell that it is a preposition, adverb, adjective or a noun before seeing its position or before knowing its position in a sentence. I think you will come to know a little bit about this word and the uses or function of this word. If you learn something from this lecture, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.